Spring is a time for fitting out for an active sailing season, so in this issue we offer many practical tips to help you enjoy your sailing. We'll join Captain Hal Sutphin to examine the ins and outs of adding radar to your boat. Then we'll learn more about ice boating from Buddy Melges and Peter Harkin, two masters of the sport. Don Street is here to teach us some new rope tricks, and then we're heading south to cruise the world's most popular charter destination, the Virgin Islands. I'll demonstrate how to trim a spinnaker for maximum speed, then we'll show you how to repair the dreaded marine head.
I guess it's the thrill chill of fantastic speed. You're sitting about, when the boat is loaded up, 6 inches off the ice, going 100 miles an hour. The sensations are fantastic, and of course, it was my start of fooling Mother Nature about apparent wind.
You can go instantly from 60 miles an hour to almost 100 miles an hour.